Get really mad at it. Yeah. Keep it in. Remember, you promised me you want to take your hands out of the bucket. Keep going. Keep doing it. Oh, keep everything in there. Make sure you get all that white stuff see all the flour and everything? Great job. I'm so proud of you. Look how good you're doing. You having fun? That's like Play-Doh, isn't it? Keep playing it. See all that? You gotta get all that mixed in there. Take out your anger and aggression. Get it to your I'm squeezing juicy fruit. Yeah, it's like squeezing jelly beans. It's like playing with a mud, isn't it? Act like you're playing in the dirt. Yeah, find worms. You gonna find any worms in there? Yeah, get mad. Get mad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that gooey. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You're doing a great job. All right. Say, Daddy, this is fun. Is this fun? You having fun? So who are you going to make these cookies for?
For Mommy and Daddy and Grandpa.
You going to make it for all those people? Okay. Look in the camera and tell me who you're going to make it for. And tell them you love them. Tell them you love them.
I love you.
Yeah, I'm making cookies for everybody.
I was making cookies for everybody to eat.
So who's everybody? Tell me who everybody is.
Your mom and Joey.
And Grandma and Grandpa and Pappy. Good job. Okay. You keep going now. I'm going to get an area.